Writing tests are essential when you need to assess candidates' ability to express ideas clearly, organize thoughts effectively, and use language with accuracy. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process of creating a structured and secure writing test using TestInvite. Start by creating a new test. Go to the Tests module and click the plus New Test button. Enter your test name. Add a description if needed. Next, add at least one section. To add more sections to your test, click the plus icon on the right. You can also add additional sections later in the test editor. Once you've entered the required fields, click Save. This will create the test structure and allow you to begin adding content. After saving, you'll be directed to the test editor. The first pages will be automatically added to your test. To change the page name, click the pencil icon next to the page title. To further build and structure your test, click Add Section. To include more sections, click Add Page under a section to add more pages. Once your test structure is ready, click the plus Add Question button on the right, then click Create a Question to add a new one. For writing questions, select either a short text or long text input type based on the expected response length. Write your question prompt in the text field. You can also enrich your questions using text formatting, links, media attachments, formulas, math input, lists, text alignment, headings, font customization, and special characters. You can set a character limit from the Settings menu next to Field Settings. You can also adjust the label, hint, placeholder, prefix, alignment, and width. You can also enable a virtual keyboard for different languages under the field settings. In the Evaluation section, you can choose how each question will be assessed. Short text questions support automatic scoring. Under the Automation section, choose Text Rules and define a rule such as should match. Long text responses requires rubrics or manual evaluation. In the rubric editor, evaluators can define the rubric type and assign weights to each criterion. The total score is calculated based on selected categories and assigned weights. You can also evaluate questions manually. If you're not the one evaluating the responses, you can add a note for the evaluator. Once you are done creating the question, click Save. After creating your questions, you can set a time limit for the entire test, as well as individual time limits for specific sections and pages. To set a time limit for the entire test, click the gear icon to open Test Settings. Then go to the Features tab and adjust the time limit option at the bottom and click Save. To set a time limit at the section or page level, click on the section or page name on the left, then adjust the time limit setting on the right. You can also enable some foundational security settings. Click the gear icon to open Test Settings, then go to the Questions tab. In the Security section, you can enable options like blocking text selection, printing, right-clicking, Google Translate, and spell check to help secure your exam. Once you are done with your entire test, go to the Tasks module and click the plus New Task button. Continue with the Real Usage option. Select one of the candidate type options to move forward. Fill in the task title and select a folder and use Case to continue. After that, click the plus Test button above to add your test. Select the test from your library to add it to the task. Select the advanced security options you'd like to enable for this test. Choose webcam and screen recording types and enable Lockdown Browser if needed. After configuring the settings, click Save to create your task. Now you've created your test and you're ready to deliver it to participants.